To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?
No, me not like it. I do not like it. You know me not like it. So stop telling me about fast money. When you plan for stop, you look like you don't plan for stop none at all until your life gone.
I know this is not my house, but what shall we have?
She entitled to come in anytime she want. I'm a daughter-in-law.
Your daughter-in-law?
Yes.
Mommy, you know how long me left for her? What shall we have? I chose to know the girl from a long time from went back. Probably she never knows me and she left and thing, but she know now.
Yeah, your mama feel rubbish.
mean-
Tim Fred, your mama.
Can't see,
Tim
man.
Fred, eh? Look what me good. Tim Fred,
I was gonna say it on your pepper green.
yeah, your mama feel rubbish.
What you know? Yeah, problem. Just I'm married to you for the with boy, you idiot. Me? You know what I have to say? You look Marika?
Yeah, either.
Yo, you look Marika?
No, nobody.
That
No,
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 you're Marika in business.
Oh, me and Marika feel business.
You're Marika in business.
So we are there, you don't want me. We are there.
Rubbish.
Stop calling the phone. You not get no money from me no more, and that's final. Just
Want money
accept
from
that.
you?
You want money from
You want
me? You.
money from you?
So,
You know why me I call you?
why?
You know why me I call you? The
why
reason why me call you?
Answer the
The
question.
reason why me call you is more me a squash this thing.
Squash.
When you see me on road, stop and scrub a dirty tough face, Rasta boy.
Me screw my
And
face.
me chim up
Me
there
screw my
like that, you
face.
know me. Me chim up there
I
like
just
that.
screw my face.
Yeah?
I smell something stink.
You can't smell me junk.